motherfucker. So the leg come down. All the frame right there. And he got a remote control where he can control the machine. The lift. It's gonna lift it up. Oh, by using the chain, the machine lifts up the pod by using the chain. And he get to put it where he want to put it at. That's some cool ass shit. Wow. So that's how it works. The pod machine. Okay. It just lift it up actually. And the dolly. Yo, check this shit out. This is the pod move machine and the company. And the torch comes out. Yo. That shit, boy, your boy James Wu, boy, I'm learning something new, boy. I'll be a damn good pod operator. This is the machine. You got a hunger engine on that bit. And he got a remote control right here. Okay? Give me 1 minute. All right.